Hello everyone, it's been a while. Currently, we are working on restoration of this 1 by 10 scale off-road nitro buggy. This buggy works on 20% nitro fuel and 16% of synthetic oil.
Um, this is the 1 by 10 scale car. So we can see it got the suspensions, like we can turn it to make it stiff so that the ride will be little better options. Like we'll do this. So basically, why we have this car is it is from a customer who needs us to be restored. Like it is not in a very bad condition to like restore it, but it has been years that he started the engine and he operated the electronics. Like he's not sure like which one is working and which one is not working. So first things first, I just removed the air filter and I can see the sponge is like super damaged. Like there is no sponge only, to be honest. We'll fill it off with a sponge that we have with us, and we'll see like what is the exact condition of the car. Like see here we can see the fuel cap. The fuel cap is like full of sludge, like because of the old fuel which was left in the tank only. Even inside the tank I can see like lot of oil is like running here and there. We just need to clean all those. And this is the battery bay and the receiver part where it holds the receiver. So the on off switch, it came off like easily, and the two servos are here. Like we'll see how the servos are performing. We just want to know. So I can see like the movement is fine. And the braking is good. Braking is very good compared. Okay, we'll do that. And I just like this being an RC racer, and this is the best part. Instead of keeping the hand over here, like getting burnt your hand in like 100-degree temperatures, like 200, 300, it's better you pump like this. The fuel automatically goes through this line, a fuel line, and it goes to the carburetor. It is so cool. And the nice part is like you can carry this in this way. Like we can do some show off. I can carry, put it like this. All right. First things first, we'll just remove these tires. So we need our wrench. We'll take it from our Nitro RC. The tires are removed now. It's better like we'll remove the engine first. So we use our 2.5. First case we remove this exhaust off, so we can access the two bed screws. You can see there's a small gasket, but it is damaged. Let's see, we don't want to mess with that. Let it be like that. Also the residue got stuck. This one should come off easily. Let's give a light push.